In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Tiltify overlays into your streaming setup using OBS or Streamlabs. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their charity streams with engaging overlay alerts and displays that keep your audience informed and interacting. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to set up your Tiltify campaign. Go ahead and log in to your Tiltify account. Once you're in, you can either create a new campaign or open an active one that you've already set up. This is where you'll set the foundation for all of your overlay interactions, so make sure everything in your campaign is ready to go before moving on to the next steps. Now that your campaign is ready, let's get the overlay URL from Tiltify. Head over to your campaign dashboard and look for the section labeled Widgets or Overlays. Tiltify offers a variety of overlay widget URLs for different purposes, such as a donation alert that pops up for each donation, a donation goal progress bar, recent donations, and a list of top donors. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on integrating the donation alert, but feel free to select any overlay widget that suits your stream's needs. Once you've decided, simply copy the URL of the overlay widget you wish to use. Next, let's add your Tiltify overlay to your streaming software. If you're using OBS Studio, begin by navigating to your chosen scene where you would like to add the overlay. Within the scene, click the plus button under the sources section. From the menu, choose browser source. This option allows you to embed a variety of web-based widgets directly into your stream layout. When prompted, give your new source a relevant name like Tiltify Alerts and then click OK to proceed. Now paste the overlay URL you copied from Tiltify into the designated field. You'll need to specify the width and height of your overlay as well. Typically a size of 800 by 200 should work well, but you can adjust these dimensions according to your preferences or the layout of your stream. Once you've set everything up, click OK and position the overlay on your screen to your liking. If you're using Streamlabs OBS, the process is quite similar. First, navigate to the scene where you want to feature the overlay. Click the plus in the sources section and then select browser source from the options. Add a new source and name it appropriately. Again, paste the Tiltify overlay URL in the URL field provided. Afterward, adjust the dimensions to fit your streaming setup and move it into your desired position on the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Tiltify overlays into your streaming setup. As you engage with your audience and collect donations, these dynamic overlays will provide real-time feedback and help maintain momentum and excitement throughout your charity stream. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.